Vedic Maths classes. It's a time for the tricks.
Good evening, students. Welcome back. How are you, students? I hope you are in the best of your health. Students, in my previous video, I have taken the topic complements. I think you remember, students? Yes. With this topic, I have given you one practice PDF. I hope, students, you have done that PDF in your Vedic Maths notebook. Again, I am repeating, students, whatever homework PDF you are getting with the video related to the topic, you have to do that PDF in your Vedic Maths notebook. You have to make a Vedic Maths notebook and you have to do that sums in that notebook. So, students, this is your Vedic Maths class and it is a time for the tricks. Today we will learn another concept. Another concept means another method, and by that method you can really solve your complicated problems in some minutes. So students, make sure you watch every single video and stay tuned to learn more. Our today's topic is multiplication IXI method, 2-digit multiplication. Now, your today's method is IXI. IXI. This is a method. Now, this method we will apply in the multiplication sums. Means today I will tell you one easy method to do the multiplication. But there is one condition. This is a 2-digit multiplication. 2-digit means this is 1 digit and this is 2 digit. You can see, students, see, 1 number means 1 digit, 2 number means 2 digit. So our today's method is for 2 digits. 2 digits means the sums like this. Like this means that 2 digits up and 2 digits down. This type of multiplication sums we will do with the help of our today's trick, which is IXI method, and it is a 2-digit multiplication. Means we will multiply 2-digit numbers with our trick. Students, maybe in the starting this method will sound difficult for you, but as you will practice this method again and again, it will be very easy for you to do the 2-digit multiplication. And if you will use this method, this IXI method in your regular maths, the multiplication will become so easy for you and you can do all your sums orally in your mind without doing any rough work. So, let's start with our first sum. Students, this is our first sum. I will do it very slowly by explaining you each and every method. 2 to 3 sums we will do like this. Then 1 to 2 sums we will do in a quick way. So, the method which we will apply here is IXI. Now, what is IXI? First of all, we will apply this I method. This I method we will apply first of all. Now this I means you have to multiply these numbers. Means the numbers which are to the right hand side. See, 7 ones are 7. Done. Now you will use the X. X means this I have written again. I have just rubbed this line. See, the same I have written again. I have just only rubbed this line. Now you have to use your X. what x means. See, you have to multiply these numbers and whatever the answer will be there, you have to add them. See, 1 sevens are 7, 1 ones are 1 and add them. So here will be 8. Now this much you have done. Now the last part. See, the same I have written 11, 11, 17, 17, multiply, 87, 87. The one which I have not made is the lines. Now the last we will use again I. I means you have to multiply these numbers, the left hand side ones. So 1 ones are 1 and your answer is 187. So these are your steps. This is your step 1. This is your step 2 and this is your step 3. These are your steps. I will explain this, students, again to you. In your first step, you will multiply the right hand side two numbers. This. You have to multiply them. 7 ones are 7. In the step 2, what you have to do? You have to multiply the cross numbers. And then you have to add them. Like 1 sevens are 7, 1 ones are 1. And then you have to add them, which comes 8. 8 here. Then the last step, what you have to do? You have to multiply the left hand side of your numbers. See, left hand side. See, this is your right, this is your left. So left hand side numbers means this. 1 ones are 1. See how easily you can take out this. The students who are very good in oral calculation, they can do this calculation in their mind also. So I hope, students, you are getting this method. Next sum we will do with the same method but stepwise in the same place. Twenty-three, 32. Multiply. Use the IXI method. Now first of all, I. What does I means? Now you have to remember that I means straight multiplication, cross means cross multiplication. Okay, students? Now I means straight multiplication of the right hand side numbers, whereas this is for left hand side numbers. Are you getting it? This I for the right hand side numbers, this I for the left hand side numbers. Now I means this. Now multiply them. 3 2s are 6. Now rub this. Now second is X. X means cross. It is cross. So cross multiplication. Now you have to multiply cross wise and then you have to add them. Don't forget to add. See, 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9. Now how much is 9 plus 4? 13. Now 13 two numbers you will not put here. You will only put 3. And 1 will go carry to the left hand side. Now rub this cross. Now the last straight multiplication but left numbers. Left number means this numbers, left hand side numbers. 3 2s are 6. Now one carry is also there. 7. So here is 7 and this is your answer. See, I have done some calculations to show you. You can do all this in your mind and without doing any rough work, you can take out the answer with this IXI method. Students, this is very easy method for 2-digit multiplication. One time, if you will get this method and if you will practice this method again and again, I am sure you will find the multiplication very easy for you in your regular maths also. So, let's go to our next sum. $79.25. You can see, students, clearly? Very nice. Now students, our method which is IXI. First of all, this straight multiplication. Straight means the right hand side numbers. Right means right hand side numbers. 9 5s are. What is 9 5s are? 45. 5 here. 4 will go carry to the left hand side as you always do in your sums. In multiplication, addition, subtraction, you always give the carry to the left hand side. Same way 5 will go here and 4 will go carry. But I have done here, kids, again I am repeating, 9 into 5. This is your first step. 9 5s are 45, 5 here, 4 will go carry. Now, your second is cross multiplication. Cross means cross. You have to multiply the numbers crosswise, then you have to add them also. 7 5s are 35, 9 2s are, or you can do 2 9s also, answer will be same. 9 2s are 18. Now add them. 8 plus 5, 13, 13 3 here, 1 will go carry, 3 4 5. Now your answer is 53. Now before writing 53 here, you can see one carry is also there. So 53 plus 4, this carry. How much? 4 plus 3, 7 and 5 as it is. So your answer is 57. Listen students, I have done cross multiplication. 7 5s are 35, 9 2s are 18. Then I have add them both, which is 53. Then I have add this carry. So it's 57. So 7 here, 5 will go carry. And you can rub this. Now the last, which is straight multiplication of the left. Left means left hand side numbers, which is this. Straight multiplication. 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 5, carry is also there. 14 plus 5, 19. So this, you have done this calculation in just some minutes. See students, you can do this sum in some seconds if you do all this calculation in your mind. Yes, you can do. It's very easy if you will practice the sums again and again. Now we will go for our last sum, which is 87 multiplied by 51. Now this sum I will do orally without doing any rough work. Students, with this video I have given you one practice PDF. In that practice PDF there are sums related to IXI method. So students, do the multiplication sums using the IXI method only. practice it, it will be very easy. 3-4 sums you can do by doing the rough work. Rest of the sums try to do orally, like I am doing here. Your last sum. See, first of all, remember IXI. IXI. So first of all, I means straight multiplication of the right hand side numbers. So 7 ones are 7. Now the cross multiplication. Now 8 ones are 8. 7 fives are 35. So add them. 8 plus 5, 13. 13 3 here. 1 will go carry. 3 plus 1 4. The answer is 43. 43 3 here. 4 will go carry. Carry to the left hand side. Now multiply the last numbers. Straight multiplication of the left hand side numbers. 8 fives are 40. 40 plus 4, 44, and this multiplication is over. See how fast I have done this multiplication without doing any rough work. This I have done. You don't have to do this also. In sums, if you will not do this, you will calculate in your mind. You can do your sums in some seconds. So I hope students you get my today's method. In my next video, we will learn the IXI method for 3-digit multiplication. So students, today we have done 2-digit multiplication. Next time we will do 3-digit multiplication. Students, make sure you watch every single video and stay tuned to the Vedic Maths class. Thank you.
Practice the sums at home. Like and subscribe the video. Thank you.